Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another edition of Baking with Chef Akshay. Today we're going to be making another one of my favorites, the banoffee pot. Very simple to do at home, so make sure to follow the video. And once you've done, tag me on Instagram at Chef Akshay Batra with the hashtag Baking with Chef Akshay. Looking forward to your pictures. Cheers, guys. First thing you want to do is take a pot of water, fill it up, put your can of condensed milk inside, sideways, make sure it's covered enough, and cook it for about 2.5 to 3 hours. Make sure there's enough water inside it, otherwise the can explode. So make sure there's always enough water and put a timer. So after the dolce is out to get cooking, we're going to take a bowl. I've taken about 5 to 6 biscuits. I'm going to crush these biscuits. I've taken a little bit of butter and some sea salt. If you don't have sea salt, you can use regular salt. So you just crush the biscuits, make it into a fine powder, and then you add the melted butter to it along with the sea salt. The final texture you want is similar to wet sand basically. Like I mentioned before, please make sure that you keep adding water to your cans. So while we're waiting for the condensed milk to cook, we're going to make a sauce as the topping. It's very easy to make equal parts of cream or cooking cream and chocolate. So I've taken 100 grams and 100 grams each. So I'm going to boil the cream and pour it over this chocolate. You can see our cream's boiling. I'm just going to pour this over my chocolate. And later I'm going to just mix it. That's my alarm for 3 hours. That's how it looks. I've ensured there's enough water. You're gonna just switch off the gas and let it keep cooking. If you want it a little darker, you could let go for another 30 minutes. So I've just opened the tin. This is after 3 hours of cooking in water. Perfect color what we're looking for. We're just gonna empty this out in a bowl, or you can put it directly into a piping bag. So next I'm just going to take some whipping cream. You may or may not add sugar. I'm going to add some sugar infused with some vanilla bean. And I'm going to whip this till it's soft. So our cream is whipped to soft consistency. I'm going to add a little bit of this to the dolce and make dolce cream, about half of the cream. I'm going to take this and I'm just going to mix this. So this is exactly what you're looking for, a nice dolce mixed with the whipping cream. So we're just going to check on our ingredients before we assemble to make sure we have everything. That's the whipped cream. I added some vanilla bean to it. That's the shot glass that I'm going to be using. You can use a bowl or anything that you have around your house. That's the dolce cream. That's the biscuit crumble. I sliced up some bananas. That's some extra dolce. That's the sauce. That's the topping. Time to assemble. So the first step, I'm going to add a little bit of the dolce that we've cooked for 3 hours. Next, we add the bananas to this. I'm going to add about 3 slices to this and press it down. The next layer is going to be the digestive cookie crumbs, which was mixed with the butter. Just do this and flatten it out a little bit. Next layer is the dolce cream, the dolce de leche mixed with the whipped cream. Fill it till it's about halfway. I'm now going to add another couple of bananas to this. Time for some more digestive cookie crumbs, a tiny little bit more. There you go. Next, we just finish it off with a little bit of whipped cream on top. After this, you're just gonna tap it a little bit to flatten out. And now we put this in the fridge to set for about half an hour. So we've chilled this for about half an hour. Now we're gonna add the chocolate sauce that we made on top as a topping. I just warmed it up a little bit because it got set. Just warm it, tap it before we garnish it. So next I'm just going to do an optional garnish. If you want, you can make some chocolate flakes. So I have a grater, or you can do a box grater, and you're just going to scrape this and make chocolate flakes, you know. So that's the final glass. That's how it should look like. I'm just going to put some of the shavings on top of it. Voila, beautiful. Enjoy, guys. So guys, this right here is my version of the banoffee pot. Enjoy. Cheers. Make sure you tag me on Instagram at Chef Akshay Batra and use the hashtag Baking with Chef Akshay. Looking forward to your pictures.